Question 8 of this exercise says find the cost of polishing a circular tabletop of diameter 1.6 meter if the rate of polishing is 15 rupees per square meter. Take pi equal 3.14. So basically we are polishing a circular table, so we need to find the area of the circle. So we know that the formula to find the area of circle is pi r square, and pi it is given as 3.14, and we will take the radius as 0.8 meter, as the diameter is 1.6 meter, so radius is basically half of that, so it will be 0.8 square. So when we solve that, we will get the area of the circular table which we need to polish is 2.0096 square meter. That is the area of the circular tabletop. Now we need to find the cost of polishing, and it is given in the question that the rate of polishing is 15 rupees per square meter. So the area is 2.0096 square meter and the rate is 15 rupees. So we just need to multiply them. So when we multiply, we will get the cost as rupees 30.144. So that will be the cost of polishing a circular table of diameter 1.6 meter.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.